I decided to replace these. These are the rollers for the garage door. These are the original rollers. They're old steel rollers. But I got a problem. They sent me counterfeit rollers. This is the invoice for my order. I ordered it from Walmart.com. They came in a box that said walmart.com/jet.com DLR6200Z, and that's the Ultra Life 2 reinforced 6200Z bearing nylon garage door roller. That's the price for 10 of them. It's a really good price, but here's what happened. I ordered a total of 30, two 10-packs of 4-inch stems and one 10-pack of 7-inch stems. They sent me this one pack of the 7-inch stems with one pack of the 4-inch stems, but they forgot to send the second pack of 4-inch stems. So it took them like a week to send this second pack. So I had enough to do one of the garage doors, and these are legit. So what I'm going to show you here, all of these are legit. All of these are counterfeit, and I'm going to show you how I know. I can show you how easy it is to tell whether or not these are counterfeit, because the quality is so obscenely bad on the counterfeit ones. This is a real one. This is not counterfeit. Look how nice and smooth it rolls. This is the sealed version, so it's got that plastic cap on it. You can see through the cap, etched on the race of the bearing, you can see it says 6200Z. See that? And that's what I wanted. That's what it's supposed to be. That's what these are. You pay a little extra for them, but they're quieter and they last longer. Also on the back here, if you pull this back, you'll also see etched on the bearing that same 6200Z. I'll show you. Okay, there it is. You can see that etching there. It's the best I can do with one hand. These are the legit 4-inch version. These are not sealed, but you can get them sealed. But as you can see, they are also etched there on their race. It says 6200Z. These are really, they just feel great. Super high quality, very straight, no binding at all, very, very smooth. And there you can see 6200Z, you can see that it's etched. These move very, very smoothly. You can see it's perpendicular, there's no eccentricity, it looks really good. If you hold this with one hand and you spin this, you can see it's not walking any. See that? Looks really good. So these are high quality and I like them. I'm pleased. Now I'll show you the counterfeits and you'll see why it's so disappointing. Let's look at the box. I can't remember what the box looked like that the real ones came in. I can't remember if it was a nice printed box like this, one of these fancy boxes, or if it was a sticker box like this. But this is a sticker box, and after looking more closely, this looks that looks a little crazy right there. The way those numbers are on the barcode. Overall, honestly, the sticker looks pretty good. And then on the side, it's got this. So let's have a look at one of these counterfeits. Whoa, you see that? Do you see that? We got the leaning tower. We got the leaning roller. Holy smoke. Whoa, look at that. Looking at that. Yeah, this isn't 90 and that's not 90. And this, oh man, look at how crazy it is. Oh, right there, it binds. Just really terrible. Look at the gap on that bearing. Oh my gosh. Really, really poor quality. Like, these aren't even anywhere close. I'm so glad I didn't get this box first, thinking that it was a Dura-Lift product, because I'd have been like, forget it, I'll never buy this again. It's totally caught right now. I'm turning it. There it goes. So it's caught right there. Look at this one. Whoa. Oh boy. This one's really bad. Can you hear this? Listen. Brand new bearings aren't supposed to sound like that. This is really too bad. Okay, so let's look some more at them. Alright, you notice right away too. You see that the nylon wheel on the real one. This one, it's one piece. See, it's one piece. Front, back. But look, this one's two pieces. See that? One piece here and one piece here. So that's a big tip off right away. Another one, again, just look at the bearings. It's so much better, so much higher quality on the real one. You got that etching in there, it's spaced properly. The real deal, again, you can see that etching on there, just all around better. And then this one has that black disc as if it's a front seal too, but it's not. So it's very unfortunate that people do this, but people do this. So there's your heads up. If you're going to buy a Dura-Lift, make sure you get the real deal.